Did you know that an unprecedented technological earthquake just hit the artificial intelligence ecosystem, officially ending the era of static language model forever? This week, an autonomous AI agent analyzed its own scoring architecture, determined that an entire feature category possessed zero predictive value, and permanently purged it. No software engineer commanded that structural modification, and no corporate executive triggered a manual retraining sequence. The autonomous agent evaluated its outputs against objective metrics, identified its alternative dead weight, and surgically eliminated the inefficiency. This represents a monumental category shift that most industry analysts have failed to grasp, as we have been confined to static, frozen intelligence for years. However, Abacus AI's Autobots running inside Chat LLM have now deployed true self-improving loops across real operational systems. Let us examine the fundamental flaw you experience daily while deploying conventional artificial intelligence tools. Standard language models suffer from catastrophic amnesia. They generate an immediate output and instantly forget whatever their strategic advice succeeded or failed. When you return the following morning, the model has learned absolutely nothing because no historical feedback was retained. You are forced to carry the memory and execute the arduous analytical labor while the AI merely handles basic drafting. Conversely, Autobots execute a revolutionary architectural decoupling. One specialized model performs the task while an independent evaluator model grades the performance. By assigning performance evaluation to an impartial evaluator, strategic improvement transforms into a quantifiable metric plotted across your CRM code base. Let us analyze the first operational demo involving sales pipeline optimization, which delivered striking empirical gains. This autonomous agent reads live pipeline data from Notion CRM and extracts actual conversion outcomes directly from Slack channels. It scores every incoming prospect from 0 to 100, then retrain its model based on deals the actually closed. It operates at 4 in the morning every single day while the human sales force remains asleep. Across 3 credit cycles, lead conversion precision surged from 22% to 79%, marking a 254% improvement. In its fourth run, the agent identified an internal fuzzy matching bug, executed a post-mortem, and pushed a permanent code patch automatically. The second live demonstration showcases an autonomous bug fixing agent integrated directly into GitHub and Jira. The autonomous bot is strictly barred from touching production servers and cannot close tickets without human sign-off. Every day at noon, It selects the highest priority, open bug analysis, the root cause, and authors a secure software fix. In one documented case, an interview scoring algorithm was clamped at 10 instead of 100 due to a single bad line of code. The intelligent agent traced the defect to the exact historical commit, corrected the syntax, passed the build, and documented the verification steps for human engineers. Within 3 runs, it achieved a 100% first attempt merge rate, setting a new standard for automated software engineering. The third production case involves an autonomous thumbnail optimization agent operating live on Abacus AI's YouTube channel twice daily. This intelligent bot evaluates view metrics across every video published over the preceding 14 days. It generates fresh thumbnail assets for underperforming uploads and deploys them directly via the YouTube API. It enforces a rank design framework and automatically retires any design review, yielding less than a 30% win rate. Crucially, when click-through rates remained flat at 51% after 3 runs, the agent refused to falsely declare early victory. An autonomous system that recognizes data efficiency is infinitely more valuable than irresponsible models that manufacture artificial wins. The fourth environment subjects the agent to live financial markets via a LFK paper trading environment. This trading board evaluates Federal Reserve policy signals, priori yields, and real-time financial news within seconds. It executes market orders only when its algorithmic confidence score exceeds 60% on day 1. It suffered an initial loss resulting in a 0% win rate but executed an immediate algorithmic self-diagnosis. During the afternoon session, it closed 5 profitable positions and closed the trading day at 66.7% accuracy. It authored a comprehensive post-mortem on its initial failure and corrected its strategy within hours, outpassing human market operators. Additionally, the profit optimization board and customer retention agent delivered transformative operational compounding. The retention agent analyzed user onboarding sequences, deployed our initial test, and when the first metrics declined, it refused to quit. It refined the system parameters, authored a second experiment, and yielded a 10% lift above the original baseline. All Autobots operate natively inside Chat LLM alongside frontier models like GPT, Cloud, and Gemini. Every experimental iteration is recorded on an immutable progress dashboard, providing total metric transparency. While this does not represent artificial general intelligence, the underlying recursive improvement loop is real and operational. The competitive gap between organizations deploying static AI and those utilizing self-improving loops will soon become unbridgeable. In our next deep dive, we will explore how autonomous multi-agent systems are rewriting global enterprise software to remain at the forefront of this revolution. Subscribe to AI Revolution, like this video and activate the notification bell immediately. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.